Hey, it's Jack. I'm co-founder and CEO of Grapple. Grapple's the world's first do-it-yourself data platform, and it makes it really easy, whether you're technical or not, to build beautiful business intelligence dashboards. Let's dive in. I'd love to give you a demo. Here we're looking at a project I've started putting together of my HubSpot deal data. I want to build a dashboard that helps me understand how my sales team is doing and help me forecast if we're going to hit the number from a pipeline perspective. If I come up here in the upper right-hand corner and click on the HubSpot logo, I can see the data that's available to me in this project. When you use traditional business intelligence software, you spend a lot of time mapping data across tables or records or collections. With Grapple, you don't have to think about any of that. It ships with the default understanding of what your data looks like within a specific app. When we go back and look at this project, you can see that most of these columns are from my HubSpot deals, but as we scroll to the right, we can see additional data like who the owner is of the deal, meaning the sales rep, and the industry of the company involved with this deal. Let's add a few visualizations or charts to this dashboard to help me understand this data in aggregate. Grapple is a keyboard and AI natural language driven interface. This means I can move through and build a project really quickly with the precision of my keyboard. If I come up to Ask Grapple, I have a series of options to add new fields, to filter, group, and add new bar charts or other types of charts. Here I'm going to come in and just from the top, I'm going to go and add a bar chart and go some amount per closed quarter. This will help me forecast and understand what my deals look like. And there we saw it generate a bar chart. And let's do a couple more things. I'm going to add a number and I'm going to ask who is my top rep. And if you notice, I don't have a field called rep, but Grapple understands the intent behind the columns in this project and will help me build a project really quickly. I could also, for example, look at and see some amount per biggest month if I want to know which month we generated the most deals. And we'll just add one more to round up this dashboard and go count of deals total. And this will show me sort of overall how many deals we have. But this is showing me deals that are both in the earliest stage of the pipeline and also closed won and closed lost. And since I want to make this dashboard all about which deals I want to track and pay attention to week over week when I run pipeline review, I'm going to exclude closed lost and closed won. I can filter with natural language too. And I can say, for example, stage is not closed, won, or lost. And if you notice, the column for stage is actually deal stage, but Grapple automatically understood what I was talking about. It applied a filter, and then automatically all these dashboards refresh to show me revised numbers now with this new filter. It's that quick and easy to customize and build a dashboard with Grapple. I didn't have to write any SQL, memorize anything complicated about my data warehouse, wait for my data team, or do any modeling. Grapple brings all of your data together from all of your business apps and automatically normalizes it. We've invented a cool technology called Universal Data Library that, regardless of source, makes all of your data instantly queryable. One of the cumbersome challenges with traditional data software is you have to spend a lot of time modeling it, making dates and numbers consistent so that you can do aggregations correctly. But with Grapple, all of this is done automatically for you. This means that our AI performs better than the rest. Because the schema of the data is good and clean, the model's able to work with it really efficiently. I'd love to have you try out the product. Head over to cloudgrapple.com or feel free to click the chat message in the lower right-hand corner and send me a message directly. Thanks so much.